Hello everyone. Today we have a quite interesting video. It's about 2018 Mercedes E400. A really nice vehicle to drive, powerful, comfortable, and all that. It has one issue. It has a check engine light that gives a few codes. Customer says that the car has noticeably less power now, and I ran a scan on it and found these codes. I'll have a better picture for you on the screen. So all of these codes point to some kind of leak, be it a boost pressure leak or an evap leak or a control evap system malfunction. So we're gonna go ahead and start checking things. I already have something in mind to check. It's gonna be the purge solenoid, because we do have the wide open throttle regeneration of activated charcoal canister has a malfunction code, and we have a fine leak, and we have the boost pressure too low, which could all be caused by the purge solenoid. So we're gonna go ahead and check that first. We are looking at the purge solenoid right here. On this vehicle, it's placed in such a good position. It's probably the easiest purge solenoid I have ever seen, the easiest one to remove. So we just go ahead and pull that. Got that plug off. Now squeeze those two tabs and pull out the hose, and then just twist it out on that side. And here we are. We got the purge solenoid removed. Let's now go ahead and check if it holds any vacuum. I got our solenoid hooked up to the vacuum pump. Set it to the sucking in position. This side of the solenoid is the intake side. This is the charcoal canister side. You want to make sure you're sucking on the intake side to test it. So we now go ahead and start pumping it. And the needle does not move. It just keeps pumping without the needle moving. Let's see if our pump actually works. I'll close the pump with my hand. Oh yeah, it does. Ow, it sucked a little bit of my hand in. Okay, so the pump works. The solenoid does not hold vacuum at all. Let me see if I can blow it with my mouth. Oh yeah, easily. So it's totally gone, not holding at all. Let's make some more testing with the new one. Here is the new solenoid. We're gonna hook it up in the same way and see if it holds vacuum. So I've got about 20 inches of mercury vacuum, and it's holding it. It's not dropping at all. Make sure it's visible on the camera. All right, so I guess we have diagnosed it. Let's put it in, clear the codes, and the vehicle has been repaired. It's going to be just as quick to put it in as it was to remove it. Probably even quicker. So here we go. Yeah, that's it. All right, so it has been repaired. Thank you for watching. I hope this information helps you in finding your issues. And I'll see you in the next video.